In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Password and Security. Then tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Now choose Start Recording at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark. Once you finish, select Done and make sure this switcher next to Unlock Screen Lock is green. Without it, you won't be able to use face recognition to unlock your smartphone. Either way, let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!